This is our 1978 Pontiac Trans Am. Screaming chicken on the hood here. Ram Air 400 with the shaker hood. Really beautiful car, and it's outstanding shape for being a 51,000 actual mile unrestored car. That may be a new hood decal. It looks really good to be original. Original wheels. The paint all together is in excellent shape for being original white 1978 paint. Taillights are in excellent shape. Tinted windows. For its age, there are few, not many imperfections anywhere on the body. So then when you go to open the door, the interior is a time capsule. It is in excellent shape for its age. The dash, all the gauges are in just outstanding shape. The seats show a little wear. You can tell they're original. They have some age to them. So, and then we'll switch the key on to accessory here. Fasten seatbelt option works. Power windows work. Don't even need help going up. It's rare on these F bodies. Same over here. Very rare. Also what works is the power locks. Both work. And it's a 4-speed.